loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Unspoken Wordz, where we're all about making the natural hair community a community and helping you to love yourself and your hair. So today's video is kind of following off of my previous video where I did a demonstration on how you can do or how you can bead your hair, because I know in this particular video I was kind of I don't know how to explain it. I was just I wasn't really liking the way the style that I did was pointing or sticking out at the bottom, so I thought, okay, let me add beads to it. So that's what I did with this video. So if you guys haven't seen how I bead my hair without a crochet hook or without a beader, then definitely watch that video. Yeah, I think I'll also put it in the card up here as well. Yeah, so at the end of that video I talked about how I had a hack on how you can use these wooden beads without it damaging your hair, without, you know, the splinters on the inside of the beads, because obviously it is wooden, without those splinters getting caught in your hair and pulling out your hair every time you pull it in and pull it off. So that is what this video is going to be about, just quickly showing you how I smoothen the beads and use it so that, you know, it's still I can still rock those styles without having to worry about my hair getting snagged or getting pulled, you know, and just breaking off as a result of the insides being just so prickly, you know what I'm saying? And I kind of like the way the wooden beads look over the way the plastic beads look anyway. So yeah, that's basically it. So without further ado, let's get straight onto the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have any hacks that you use that you know, just to make your hair life easier, then don't forget to leave it down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye loves.